Alright, we're gonna work on independent practice adding and subtracting integers. Number one, we're gonna write both addition sentence and a subtraction sentence to represent what is shown on the number line. So we always start at 0. We're gonna look at the arrow that start with 0. So we're gonna look at this one right here. And we're gonna see how many units. It is 4 units to the left. So it's a negative number, -4. And then from that -4, we're gonna see how many units is going to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the left, so it is negative. So we have the addition is -4 add -9. And you can see this is the answer. From 0, it get to -13. So that is the answer. Subtraction, you have -4 minus 9, which is the same thing, -13. Number 2, write both addition sentence and a subtraction sentence to represent what is shown on the number line. Again, we always start at 0. So this is the arrow that we're going to look at. It goes to the right, so it is positive. And then it goes to the left, so the number right here will be negative. Let's see how many units that this go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -6. So we will have 4 add -6. And this is actually the answer. 0 to -2. This one is kind of like 0 pairs. So we take it away. Subtraction will be the same. 4 minus 6 will be -2. Number 3, we're going to draw a counter to represent the following addition expression. So if a positive, make it to be a circle, blank circle to represent a positive number. If it is shaded, circle is represent a negative number. A, -8, add 4. So -8, I would need 8 shaded circle. And then I need 4 open circle. Then I'm going to form the 0 pair and I take them away. And this is going to leave you with the answer, -4. B, I have -5 add -2. So -5, I would need 5 shaded circle. And -2, I would need 2 shaded circle. I need to form a 0 pair, but in this case we don't have any 0 pairs, so we're going to calculate it all, and we all see we have -7 shaded circle. See we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 open circle, -5, 5 shaded circle. Form the 0 pair, take it away, and this is your answer, 1. B, we're going to model the following addition or subtraction problem on the number line given. Let's start with -7 add 6. So we're going to use number lines, and we're going to use the arrow. Always start at 0. -7 means I go to the left 7 units. 6 add 6 means I'm going to go to the right 6 units. So I am in at -7. I go 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units to the right. this answer right, this is gonna be your answer right here. So it's gonna be what? 0 to -1, the answer is -1. B, you have -4 and -2. So start at 0, go to the left 4 unit to represent -4. This is -2, so I keep going to the left 2 unit. So the answer will be from 0 to -6. Number 5, solve the following addition and subtraction problem using the rules. So we know addition, we're gonna use the rules same side, add and keep. Different side, we're gonna subtract and keep the side of higher number. So these two go together. Subtraction, we use KAO. K is keep, A for add, O for opposite. Let's practice. A, I have -20 plus 7. So they are same side or they are different side? They are different sides. So we're going to subtract. Okay. Keep the side of higher number. So 20 is higher than 7. So the answer is negative. B, -19 minus -10. So this is subtraction problem. So I'm gonna do KAO. When I see a subtraction problem, I'm gonna do KAO. Keep the first number, change subtraction to addition. Opposite of -10 will be 10. Same side, add and keep. 29. Both of them are positive, so the answer is positive. C, -85 plus -20.